Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Phantom Wallet password. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used for storing and managing cryptocurrencies such as Solana. To ensure the security of your assets, it is crucial to understand how to use the Phantom Wallet password effectively. First, you need to create a strong and unique password for your Phantom Wallet. This password should be a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Once you have created your password, you will be prompted to confirm it. Make sure to enter the same password in the confirmation field to avoid any errors. It is also essential to store your password in a safe and secure location, such as a password manager or a secure note-taking app. When logging into your Phantom Wallet, you will be required to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password to avoid any login issues. If you forget your password, you can use the recovery phrase provided during the wallet setup process to restore your wallet. To add an extra layer of security, Phantom Wallet offers a feature called password protection for individual transactions. This means that you can require a password prompt for each transaction, adding an additional step to prevent unauthorized transactions. Best practices for using Phantom Wallet password include using a unique and complex password, enabling password protection for transactions, and regularly updating your password. It is also essential to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to restore your wallet in case you forget your password. In conclusion, using a Phantom Wallet password is a crucial step in securing your digital assets. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can ensure the security and integrity of your Phantom Wallet. Remember to always use a strong and unique password, enable password protection for transactions, and keep your recovery phrase safe and secure.